This video tutorial I will explain what is the difference between MongoDB and MongoDB Atlas. MongoDB refers to the open source NoSQL database system which is developed by MongoDB Inc. MongoDB is a highly scalable, flexible and documented oriented database that stores data in JSON-like documents with dynamic schemas. And MongoDB is well suited for wide range of use cases including real-time analytics, content management, mobile applications and more. On the other hand, Atlas MongoDB typically refers to MongoDB Atlas. MongoDB Atlas is a cloud-based fully managed database service which is provided by MongoDB Inc. And MongoDB Atlas is built on top of MongoDB and offering same powerful features and capabilities but with the added benefits of cloud deployment and management. Now we will see the key differences between MongoDB and MongoDB Atlas. First one is deployment model. MongoDB can be deployed on premises or in the cloud, which gives users full control over their infrastructure. MongoDB Atlas on the other hand is a cloud-based service and it is deployed and managed entirely by MongoDB Inc. Second point is management. MongoDB requires users to handle tasks like provisioning, configuration, monitoring, backups and updates by themselves. MongoDB Atlas on the other hand is a fully managed service, meaning MongoDB Inc. can handle all aspects of database administration, which allows users to focus on building and maintaining their applications. Third point is scalability. MongoDB can be scaled horizontally by adding more nodes to the cluster, but users are responsible for managing the scaling process by themselves. MongoDB Atlas offers automated scaling capabilities, which allows users to easily scale their database clusters up or down in response to changing workload demands. Fourth point is high availability. MongoDB users must configure and manage replication and failover to achieve the high availability. MongoDB Atlas provides built-in features for high availability, which includes automated failover and replication across multiple nodes to ensure continuous uptime and data durability. Fifth point is security. Both MongoDB and MongoDB Atlas offer robust security features, including network isolation, encryption at rest, encryption in transit, role-based access control, auditing, and integration with identity providers for authentication. However, MongoDB Atlas simplifies security configuration by providing default settings and options for compliance with the industry standards. In summary, MongoDB is the open source database system, while MongoDB Atlas is a cloud-based fully managed service which is built on top of Mongo database, which offers simplified deployment, management, scalability and high availability in a cloud native environment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.